Yes, good afternoon, students. You have completed your science test, and now it's turn of discussion of the weekly test. Yes, students, in this weekly test, which is of 10 marks and time limit is 15 to 20 minutes, it means within 20 minutes you have to finish your paper. So, now question number 1. Define the following. First question is define the following, that is photosynthesis. Yes, students, you know that photo means light and synthesis means putting together. The process in which green plants convert water and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. This define carries 2 marks, and those who have written uh, this define in which you have written all the conditions, that is water, carbon dioxide, green plants means they have chlorophyll, and in the presence of sunlight, these 4 conditions, then it means the student will get out of 2 full 2 marks. But some students, what they write the process in which green plants make food. This process is called photosynthesis. This will not carry, even this boy will carry, this child will carry only half mark, because he has not written the necessary requirement which are needed by the plants to form food. So whenever you will write the define, you have to write complete define ki what are the things required by the green plants to make food. Okay, yes, this is your first define. Now second define nutrition. Yes, nutrition, living things need food, you know very well, to perform various processes. This energy is obtained from food. So what do you mean by nutrition? The process by which living organisms take in food and utilize to carry out different life process is called nutrition. This is also of 2 marks. Now next, B part. Name the bacterium found in the root nodules of the pea plant. Pea plant is a leguminous plant. It means you have to write down the name of bacteria which live in the root nodules of leguminous plants. And the name of the bacteria is Rhizobium. 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 Next question, part C. Lichen is an example of. Lichen is an example of symbiotic relationship. What do you mean by symbiotic relationship? In the symbiotic relationship, both are both mutual relationship. Plants that live in a mutual relationship with other organisms such that both share nutrients and other resources are called symbiotic plant. And in the symbiotic plants relationship, both organisms gain from each other without causing any harm to either of them. And in the lichen is the symbiotic association of algae as well as fungi. The autotrophic algae is green in color, and that is why algae provide nutrients to the saprophytic fungi. In return, fungi provide water and mineral and shelter to the alga. So lichen is an example of symbiotic relationship. D part, write the word equation for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, as earlier also defined, has been asked. In the define we have discussed the plants need dash. Plant needs carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So what we have to do in the reaction? carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives glucose and oxygen. And extra glucose is converted into starch, and that starch is stored in different parts of the plant such as leaves, stem and roots. Yes. Now your next question is complete the following. That you can all do very well. That is very much easy. F dash TS. You have to make the sentence. F ATS fats. And second, M dash N dash RA dash S. Yes, think about it. MINERALS. Minerals. This word is minerals. MINERALS. That's all. Thank you.